on to dataset 2. So in this dataset, we are having a complete like customer details in single cell. So you can see it got name and saying name, and the name is over here. Then address, and the complete address is over here. And it says age, and age is over here, and gender, and gender is over here, right? Likewise, we got data in a single complete customer data in a single cell. So now we need to clean that up, and after cleaning up, it should actually look like something like this. So name need to be in separate column, address, age, and gender, so on. All right. So let's clean this this data using Power Query. So I'll come back to our workbook. The same steps, connect to the data. I'll connect from file, workbook. This time it's dataset 2. Import that. So we want to transform this to 5 and select that and transform data. So do you want to have a try, or shall we do the same like we did for first one?
I think we can try.
Okay. So here we have to use text functions. You can use text dot between delimiters and pass this particular column as an input. Right, I'll explain you for one of the fields. So we're going to add custom column. Let's say I want to have name. So I'll use function which is text dot between delimiters. Open that. So basically we want to use this, and between which delimiters we want to get the text. So for name we want to have it between text between name and address, right? So I'll first type in name as my first delimiter. So so what this function doing, it's going to see for first delimiter as name. So it's going to find address. So our delimiter is going to be address. Hello.
Yeah, there's some audio issue from your end.
Okay. What I was saying is, so we'll be using a text dot between delimiters. So we're going to pass in this particular column 1 as our input, and for name we want to have a text which is in between this text name and in between text address, right? So whatever is in between name and address, that is our name. So now what this function going to do, it's going to get us the text which is in between name and address. That is again